stem and the core. When we eat an apple the way we normally eat it, we just eat the white part, so you only get 50 of those 386 nutrients. So I'm going to make applesauce. Notice I'm spending a lot of time cooking and coring my apple. All right. Then I add a little bit of cinnamon. Put the cover on. Notice all the liquid I have in there. And I turn that into applesauce. That's all I have to do. I let that run for just a minute because I like my applesauce warm. So I'll set my table and we will have a delicious applesauce. I have one spinach margarita left and then I'll have applesauce. And it's done.